Hello and welcome again on Stocks Advisor. Today we'll talk about Sarepta Therapeutics, ticker name SRPT. Well, quite interesting price action here. We can see an interesting candle formation. So we are declining today, being at 111.85. Still the trading is taking place. The session is not yet finished, but it looks like we are forming a classical bullish trap here, because after having this formation a few days ago and being extremely overheated with a lot of volume traded, with the MACD wave really on top here, with RSI just really crazily high, it was inevitably that the correction should take place. It was taking place indeed through 2 weeks, and now this week we were seeing this sudden move that it didn't go really much, and now it looks like we have here the resist level formed. And it's kind of, again, we pierced higher in RSI, and now it's really like declining. Also, most important parameters is the volume is quite low, so there are no more people willing really to buy more, so it might really go down further. Moving averages, moving average 20, 50, and 200 being green, blue, and red lines correspondingly, seems like it wants to actually kind of bend and start this kind of action. If this is going to happen, it will be final reconfirmation. We still need to see it for next week, but looks like it will have some nasty, sharp negative candles during next week, similar to what we saw here, for example. And then the most important negative indicator is MACD histogram. You see, it didn't pierce up and starts a new negative wave, and usually the second wave is big one, especially if the first one was small on the upwards move. So this could be kind of formation here. And if this is going to happen, it's better to wait, and that would be our bet. We wait for the first very nice entry opportunity, which will be in this vicinity. Then we might have a rebound towards moving average 20. The green line then will become our resist level. And of course, if this is rejected, then we need to wait all the way to moving average 200 to buy again. And we should be very cautious with averaging down, which we will now discuss. So let's delete all unnecessary lines, and we can talk about buying and selling levels. So as I said, the first level to enter would be formed by top here in April and top here. It will be between 89.91 and 96.19. So at the rebounds, we will be aiming to moving average 20 as a resist level, but more precisely a little bit lower. We will be aiming actually at this line as our selling opportunity. Let's put it as a dashed one. So this will therefore form our first buying through level. Let's put it with this rectangle. If this would be rejected widely, then we go all the way to moving average 200, which will be moving like here, or maybe even a little bit lower. Therefore, this will define our second entry opportunity. It's a classical second technical level. It will be formed and reconfirmed also by tops here by February and March, and also by that time moving average 200 will be here. So it will be triple reconfirmation, also confirmation here as a support level. So it will be switching itself. Here it was resist, here support, and then again will work as support if we touch it, but then if we pierce through, will work as a resist. And the lower part will be here. Again, quite broad, but still that's the level to buy through. This will be our second entry opportunity here, and we can put it again as a rectangle. Therefore, we know that this is our second entry. Quite broad indeed, but on these kind of actions, it's always the case. So when you will be buying through those levels, buy cautiously, not immediately at the top. Just buy through slowly. And of course, if it will be completely rejected, it might go really low, and then we will use this level actually as the final battleground. And whenever it will touch 41, it's immediate buy actually for the remaining portion of money, and then we wait for rebounds. Then moving average 200 will work as a resist level instead of this dashed line. So with this being said, usually we would advise up to 5-10% profit once you can take it here from your average price. Just do it, don't wait longer, because it's still very bearish trend, but we will try. So in this case, it will be a 6 portions play. It means that you can split your money you'd like to play here in the 6th portion, then you can buy with the 1 portion for the first level, with 2 portions for the second level, and you can keep 3 portions for the remaining third level to buy here. This way, whenever the price actually returns, you can be able not only to make profit but also actually recover from your losses. And again, 3 levels here, first box, second box, and 62.41 as the third level. So that's all for Sarepta Therapeutics. At the moment, looks like going to go for a strong correction here. Also, of course, very expected because the previous upward trend started from 62 levels and actually made it almost twice. So for therapeutic companies, it's a lot, and now there should be also very strong correction taking place. But we can still try to play on it. With this being said, that's all for Sarepta. If you like this way of trading and risk mitigation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US buy stocks.